What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Instagram marketing for beginners and how you can get a free Instagram tutorial for beginners as well. If you've been looking to get into Instagram marketing and you don't know where to start, well, this free course is going to help you do that. It has 15 tutorials in it, and each section has 5 videos that you can watch at your leisure that's going to help you get set up and going in the right direction. Okay, so what I want to do is just kind of walk you through the process, show you what it is that you are beginning, and then you can make a decision if this is for you or not. But if you're into Instagram and you want to get started, then go ahead and pay attention to this video. Okay, so I'm going to drop down in the corner. Okay, and this is the tutorial that you're going to get on Instagram when you actually, click the link in the description. In the first section, you have videos. You have 5 videos, okay, in this first training. That's a little over 25 minutes long, okay? So you're just going to go through that. Now, what I, suggest that you do is that you actually watch, pause, and do, or you can watch all of the videos, then come back and then start over, then watch, pause, and do, so you'll actually know what you're doing. Don't just watch the video and then leave them alone, okay? So in the first, like I said, in the first video, you're going to get 5 videos, 25 minutes long. And then the second one, you're going to get 6 to 9 videos in here as well. That's a little over 19 minutes long, almost 20 minutes long, okay? And then you're going to get 10 to 15 here on the third video, which is a little over 38 minutes long, okay? So this is the training that you're going to get. Is completely free of charge, not going to cost you anything. The only thing you have to do is click the link in the description to get started with it. And as I said, watch the videos, then go back and watch them again, and then but pause and put it into action. Don't just, let these videos go to waste. I'm giving these to you free of charge, so you can go ahead and get started today. This will give you the basis, to getting started on Instagram. Okay. And so only thing you need to do, just like I said, click the link in the description, get started, and you'll be on your way to knowing how to operate and work Instagram. Okay. Now, if you are a subscriber, I want to thank you. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. Okay. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of other videos that I do in the meantime as well. Okay. And also comment and like this video as well. Let me know what you think about the training once you're done. If there's something that needs to be changed or added or more in depth that you want me to go into. So with that being said, this is the end of this short video. It's probably the shortest one I ever did, but go ahead, click the link in the description, get signed up, get this free training, and get started. There are no catches and no gotchas. Just go ahead and get started, and I will see you when you're done. Get in contact with me. Let me know how you like it. Go ahead and subscribe as well, and I will see you on the other side. Peace. Have a good night tonight and a better day tomorrow.